Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on double tap to wake up in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings and click on advanced features and click on motions and gestures and turn on the button against double tap to turn on screen. So when your phone screen is off and if you double tap on the screen will be waked up. See here, I double tapped on the empty screen and the screen is wake up. And I do it. So in this way you can easily set double tap to turn on your screen or wake up your screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.